the first low-cost project of Cebulan Masters was Casa Miralinaw, and we lived there. So that was way back in 2014, 2015. And just 2 years ago, in 2019, I think, they offered their lowest housing project ever. And this is Villa Casita, located in Bogo. These are small townhouses, very small, and they only cost about 500,000 pesos. Very, very affordable. Also, one reason it is very affordable is because the deliverable is bare finished, so there are no partitions. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh. Oh, very nice. So nice anyway. Full kon gid siya ba? Concrete gid siya nga full.
Dito.
Dili siya granite na o kahoy. Dagko pa jud ang kusi. Oh, dagko. Oh, okay.
Nice.
Very nice. Oh. With tubig na ni? Wala pa. So wala pa yung water, no?
Wala pa. So, pag-ibig ba niya siya, sir?
Pag-ibig.
Kaya once na-release to, I think, on process naman ito. So,
Very clean. Very clean ang ilahang deliverable.